Switzerland, a pulsating country, a prosperous economy. But why is that? Thanks to its values, thanks to its location, thanks to its founding fathers, or thanks to Swiss. Scientists claim that in the 20th century, airports were built next to economic centers, whereas in the 21st century, economic centers emerged next to airports. Undoubtedly, you need the runways and terminals of an airport, but you also need, exactly, airlines. But once there is an airport, the airlines will come by themselves, right? Well, not necessarily. If you place an airport next to a mid-sized region, such as Zurich, without adding a home carrier, foreign airlines might fly in from places such as London, Paris, or Amsterdam. But what if you want to fly to San Francisco or Beijing? For that, you will have to fly via London, Paris, or Amsterdam. Wouldn't a direct connection be more convenient? Yes! Techies certainly would not be as happy as they are in Zurich without a direct connection between Zurich and San Francisco. This is why you need a strong home carrier for Zurich Airport to really serve the needs of Switzerland's economy, tourism, and society. And this is where Swiss comes into the picture. Swiss is an important employer and value creator, with more than 90% of its staff working in Switzerland and over 70% of its products and services bought from Swiss suppliers. Take a Swiss long-haul aircraft, for example. It's the equivalent of a medium-sized business, directly creating over 100 jobs and an additional 200 or so jobs on the airport and the supplier sides. And most importantly, Swiss serves as an essential economic catalyst too. Having a strong home carrier is particularly important for an export nation such as Switzerland. Being a landlocked country, it can only compete against the world's best if it has fast and convenient ways to export its sophisticated goods and services. Only if it is well connected to the world's economic centers, particularly the ones its companies do business with, can Switzerland grow and prosper. Only then will Switzerland be able to pay for its infrastructure, afford subsidies for its farmers, or support its athletes. Only then will we be able to lead our fantastic lives. And that's not only the case for this guy, by the way, but also for this woman, and this one, and even this lovely old man.